So the fifth reason I learned from my failed marriage is this, right? Guys, pick right. Pick right. A woman's past is so important. This is marriage. This is not something that you want to play with at all. Pick right and be patient. Be patient. And one thing that does us in a lot is I'm a sucker for cute girls. You feel me, right? So I especially like Ethiopians. You know what I'm saying? Because Ethiopians are just beautiful girls. So I'm just a sucker for them, right? But the point I'm trying to make is the Bible specifically says, do not fall for a woman's beauty, right? Because beauty will fade, right? You need an honorable woman. So my dumb ass, what did I do? No, I'm thinking I'm going to change it. You ain't changing shit, right? A woman that is cute to beautiful, right, has always, for the most part in her life, gotten her way with stuff, right? So the first thing that you want to look at, and the lesson that I learned is you need to look from the outside in and not, from the inside out, not from the outside in. You first want to look at, first of all, is she even a good person first? Because this is somebody that you want to share your life with, right? But my mistake was I looked from the outside in, looking at beauty and she's cute, she got curves and all that good stuff. That has ruined a lot of men. I am so happy that I got out of it unscathed, but it's a lesson learned.